Today on Steel Valley Vintage, we got a McDonald's Happy Meal Boo bucket, or a Halloween pail, and we got the white bucket, which is called McBOO. In the bucket is first an activity where you can decorate a skeleton with these stickers. Maybe we'll decorate him in a minute. There are two skeletons on the back. We got a cheeseburger meal that includes fries and a cheeseburger inside. I see some fries left over. The nice ghost shape of the bucket. It comes with a drink choice. You can get a small fountain drink. You can also get a milk or the organic juice. This activity is to dress the skeletons with the stickers that are on the back. As we can see, they're a ghost sticker, a pirate outfit with a pirate costume, hooks, a telescope, a ship wheel, a pirate hat, and more. Looks like a little fun activity if you were a little kid. So this is the first Boo bucket or Halloween pail that I have received from McDonald's. I went to two different McDonald's. They both had the white McBOO bucket. We'll search for the other buckets that are available. There are orange buckets and a green bucket out there as well. This is the first bucket that I've purchased. I'll look to review the other buckets if I get them. This is the McBOO bucket with the nice decorate the skeletons activity with skeleton costumes. Once again, on Steel Valley Vintage, the McBOO Halloween pail for McDonald's. Have a nice night.
Game over now.